Hello, assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. So today we are going to discuss a very fantastic app, that is screen recorder. So how you can screen record of your mobile. If you are a YouTuber, so you have to use this is very fantastic to screen record. So still you do not subscribe my channel How to Learn, first subscribe my channel and also press the all for the notification. And if you want to get a educational video, so you can get by this channel. This is my Noor Zainab official, so please subscribe this. Let's come to the software. So you have to write here screen recorder no ads, so you will get this. Okay, I have already installed this, so we will open this. So by this you can use the it's a very fantastic, and you can record the screen and audio whatever you want to do. So you have to click here, you can capture the picture as well, and if you want to close, so you can close. Okay, so this is very fantastic to use. So you can use this by, it's a very fantastic app. And if you want to record the screen as well as, you can screen record by the app. You can click here, you can click on recording, then you can do the recording as well. Okay guys, you have to click on start, then you can do the recording. Okay, so do not forget to like and subscribe my How to Learn channel, and must comment for getting any update. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.